If your Mistplay points suddenly show 0, the most common cause is logging into the wrong account or the app failing to sync your wallet data. By the end of this, you'll know how to check what happened, how to recover your points, and when to contact support. The first thing to check is your account. Mistplay stores your points on your account, not on your phone. That means if you signed in with a different Google account, email, or Facebook login, your balance can look empty even though your real account still has your rewards. Go to your profile and confirm the email or login method matches the one you originally used. This fixes the problem more often than people expect. Next, force the app to sync. Close Mistplay completely from recent apps, then reopen it. The app reloads your wallet balance when it starts. If the last sync failed, your points may not display correctly until you refresh. If that doesn't work, check your internet. Mistplay needs an active connection to pull reward data from its servers. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app. Weak or unstable internet can interrupt wallet syncing. Now update the app. Go to the Google Play Store and install any available update for Mistplay. Older app versions can have wallet loading issues, especially after server-side changes. If your balance still shows 0, clear the cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary wallet files without touching your account. If you recently redeemed rewards, check your transaction history. Points drop immediately after you redeem gift cards or payout options. Open your wallet history and confirm whether the points were spent. That can explain a 0 balance fast. Another possibility is account review. If Mistplay detects unusual activity like duplicate accounts, VPN use, or reward abuse, points can temporarily disappear during investigation. If you think that happened, contact support directly. Go to Profile, then Support, and send screenshots of your wallet, account email, and reward history. That gives support enough detail to review missing points. So the main fixes are simple. Confirm your account, force a sync, and check your redemption history. Start with the login method first, because wrong account sign-ins cause this problem most often. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more quick app fixes.